In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up the Discord app and now let's hit here at 3 lines icon and then hit at your profile icon. Now, there on Discord, you can switch between different accounts without logging out. That's Discord feature that's quite useful, but you unfortunately can't do it on mobile version. Discord team announced that they will soon add this feature on mobile version of Discord, but currently, in order to switch accounts on Discord Mobile, you can scroll down here until you find logout, tap on that, then hit add logout, and next enter your username and password from another account to log into another account. That's how it works now, guys. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.